Alright, hey guys, welcome back to HighLyfe Kai again. I'm finna be walking again. This time, I'm just finna walk somewhere so I can do my 48 laws of black empowerment. This book right here is gonna be backwards, but I'm gonna read that for you again. But like I said, this is so I can get comfortable being on camera more, like always. But, I mean, it's pretty easy now, I ain't gonna lie. Shit, yeah. How y'all been? It's been a while. I ain't even posted my other one yet. The other one, I forgot. But y'all see some of the TikToks already. Let me flip my camera for y'all. Hopefully y'all can see me. If not, I'm sorry. I know y'all can see me actually. But I'm finna find a nice little spot, read, and then I might be done. Cause I already walked earlier too, as well. I walked a different path. You guys wanna walk with me or what? I'll walk the entire path this time as well. If y'all wanna see. It's not a secret path or nothing, but hey. There you go. We on a journey, y'all. Let me show y'all the nature real quick. A little train park. Oh, see it? It's beautiful, ain't it? Ain't it? Isn't it? You can't tell me that's not. Beautiful, very. But I'm probably gonna find that bench like last time. That bench real quick so I can sit down. But oh no, it depends where I put my camera at. So, but I got my little tripod, so that's okay. So I'll be able to attach it to something or just put it on the ground if need be. But if not, I'm straight. But cause I found a stick when I was walking this morning. I'm finna turn it into a staff though. I gotta sharpen it. I'm gonna sharpen one side and then I don't know if I want both sides sharpened, but it's clean that I found it because I've been wanting to look make a staff anyway. That's why I was supposed to walk this morning, y'all. Everything happens for a reason, you know? Yeah, so I don't got no topics like my TikTok, cause normally I'll do my TikTok topics in this video. Like y'all gonna see, cause I got another one that y'all ain't see yet. You know that? No, you don't. But now you do, so it's alright. Shit. I ain't gonna lie. People are awkward. Like they'd be staring at me, so like, I wave at them. Like, why are you staring? I get it. I got a bonnet on, but I'm a bonnet guy, so what? I get it. I'm recording the camera and don't give a fuck. But that's them. It ain't me. Let me show you guys some more nature. I'm still on the same trail, same path. But it's so beautiful. Look, I'm gonna show you guys this sun too. This is my real home right here. That's my home. I ain't lying. I don't even want to focus. Oh, what is it? I think I already walked past this one tree, but there was this one tree that was fire. So, if I find it, I'll show y'all. If not, it's alright. But there was this one tree. It was like, it was low key like spiraling around each other. Like it was fire though. Y'all gotta see it. But until then, I don't know where it was. thought it was one of these motherfuckers. Never mind, it's probably further back that way. I gotta go back that way. Once I go back that way, then it's fine. There's street sweepers cleaning the street right now. So it's finna get a little bit loud for you. But other than that, be smooth, be straight. You are always solid. Look. See? Where is that tree? Oh, I might have found that tree. Hey, I might have found that tree, I ain't gonna lie. I lied, that's not the tree. But I'll show you guys if I find it once I go back. I got some faster bins I set on light. So we didn't change this to record this time. I ain't gonna lie. That should be boring. I mean, not boring, the other way. I'd rather go somewhere new, somewhere different. Somewhere you haven't seen. Somewhere I barely seen. This is my first time like even walking back over here. Like my brother told me about this trail back here, but yeah, I ain't know. I ain't know about it. I mean, I ain't never walked it though. Watch, let me show you more. Like this trail. Squirrel. This whole area right here is fire. I could do my yoga. I could do my yoga right here. It's perfect for the sun too. Lay a blanket down, or even my yoga mat. And the sun is right there. Literally. But now I'm finna keep going on this trail, and y'all gonna see more. Watch. Okay? Watch these. Cause I was surprised when I went on this motherfucker, I ain't gonna lie. Cause I ain't never been to the back. I ain't never been to the back, ever. But we gonna find somewhere where I can do these videos at real quick. I don't know how many I'm gonna do, I'm gonna figure it out. There's another squirrel, y'all. We're finna be going on the back part of the path. What the fuck? Something in my mouth. Another squirrel on the fence. I don't know if I saw that. Nature is beautiful, y'all. Look at this tree. Why is this tree got any fruits on it? No. Oh, they do. Look. These are some of the fruits that my brother found. Are these cherries or what? Are these cherries or what? This one growing something too. I don't know what that is though. What are these? You see that? Fuck. You can't really see. There it is. Look, what is that? I don't know what it is. You guys know? Let me know. If not. So, see, look, this is the trail I was talking about. Well, the back of the trail. I never been back here. Private property, no trespassing. Bullshit. They just go wherever they want to. Literally. Just enjoy nature. I might not talk as much. Because I'm enjoying nature as well. See, look. Beautiful. I think this is a cherry. I'm not 100% sure. If so, I already found one and I already planted it. So So I'm finna grow a cherry tree, and then I'll put I'm just put it outside. Like, yeah, I'm gonna just put it outside, like in the community though. Like, I could plant it back here, I could plant it somewhere, but I would probably do it closer to my house on the trail. The street sweeper coming this way now, I think. I don't know though. But I'm gonna show y'all this bridge that I didn't even know was here either. Like, there's a bunch of shit that I didn't know. That's why I need to start being outside more and stuff like that. But patience. Alright. Look at nature, enjoy yourselves, alright? Oh, I forgot to make noise. Look at that bridge. I don't really got too much to say this time, actually. That's a good thing, to be honest. Well, because I came out here for literally one specific thing, to read that book. Well, this book. But other than that, this vlog, or whatever it is, nature walk, this is just so I could post and have videos for you guys to see. If you guys enjoy it, hit that like button. If not, hit that dislike button. That is not the street sweeper. I don't know what this is. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna see in a second. How y'all been? I know I asked that already, but like I said, I don't really have much to talk about today, which is actually very astonishing to me. Alright, we finna get closer to that bridge soon, and enjoy nature, y'all. Close to the bridge, and this would literally be my second time walking on the bridge. I didn't even know there was a bridge back here, but it leads, cause there's a canal, so it leads over the canal. There's a county truck. We got some more nature here, y'all. Enjoy it and just be in it. Get some sun. Oops, my bad. Get some sun. Alright, the bridge coming up right now. I'm not sure where I want to do this. I'm gonna figure it out though. But once I get back to the other part of the trail, I might use it. Everybody can't see it. bridge. It's tiny though, but I never knew it was here, so that's why I keep talking about it. I didn't know none of this. I ain't gonna lie. I've never walked back here. It's literally my second time. Only because I didn't know it was here. There's a canal right there. Hold on. I might do it right here. Look, there's a little tree stump that I can sit on and then attach my camera to this thing. Watch. Let's see. Let's see. See, watch. This tree stump. Nah, shit's ass. I'm finna find a different spot. I'm probably gonna do it in the spot that I was talking about. In the grass. But the spray painters, they be having real talent, I ain't gonna lie. They file. Alright, I'm finna do it in here. There's a little passage area right here. Alright, catch you guys next time. Actually, you guys might catch me on my walk back, but for now I'm finna make my TikToks real quick. I don't know if they're gonna be added in the video, but you will see. If not, if you guys fuck with this, hit that like button, share it, comment, do whatever you want. Get some nature walks with HighLyfe Kai, and HighLyfe Kai, we out. Last but not least, before I leave, cause I just been running doing handstands and shit, I'ma hug a tree, yo. This is for everybody. Hug trees, show them love. They help you release anxiety, stress, negative energy, all that. You can talk to trees, climb the tree. You can talk to all plant stuff. Literally, bugs, insects, anything that's alive you could talk to. Woo! I feel like I ain't sprinting in a minute, but tree hugger Kai, that's me. We on planet Kai, y'all know that? And my name is Kai, what that mean? It's my planet. All right. Well, I'm out of here now. Thank you guys for being on this journey. It's nature walk, nature, whatever. But HighLyfe Kai, we out. Okay, I just finished all my TikTok videos. I was bullshitting, I ain't gonna lie. I did a few sprints. I fell one time because the grass slippery and shit. I was practicing my handstands. It's fun. Be a kid again. It's the life, yo. I'm telling you. Hold on, let me put my my hoodie, my shirt and stuff back on, and then we're gonna be walking, all right? Y'all gotta watch me though. Watch me.
Actually, I'm not gonna promote it, I ain't gonna lie. I don't feel like it.
How you guys been? Welcome back. I definitely, shit. Damn, I didn't even record it on no video, so. But I definitely might include my TikToks in this video as well. Or at least a few of them, because they are part of the vlog, right? The nature walk vlog. Podcast coming soon, y'all. Into the mouth. I mean, into the mind and out the mouth. Oh yeah, these right here, I'm just picking up. These are not weeds. You could use these in tea. You could use these for real. And then the roots as well. If you dig up the roots, you could use these. They're not weeds, y'all. Stop killing them. Oh yeah, I forgot about that cherry. I'm gonna put it on just so I ain't gotta carry nothing. All right, we back. So like I was saying, at the end of my nature walks, I like to end with hugging on trees. I ended it with my TikTok, but you guys ain't see. But basically, you can hug a tree, talk to a tree. You can talk to all plants, all living things, animals as well. You can talk to all living things. Hug a tree reduces anxiety, stress, negativity. You can talk to the tree, you can name the tree, you can do whatever you want, for real. It's yours. See, you can feel the tree. Stop cutting them bitches down though. But we need more fruit trees though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, got everything? Yes sir. That was actually fun. My energy has been boosted very high. But, oh yeah, what was that one? There was a topic on one of my TikToks. I'm trying to remember it. It was, hold on. Oh yeah, it was, found it. It was, watch how you speak to yourself. So basically, like even in your own head, like a lot of people don't know how to speak to themselves. Like a lot of people don't even know they talk themselves out of a bunch of shit that they actually are very capable of doing, and that they basically make themselves afraid to basically try anything. So when you speak to yourself the same way you like speak to others and compliment others and all that shit, you need to talk to yourself like that. Because if not, you're just breaking yourself down each and every day for no reason. And then you just gonna feel bad every day about your own self while you fuck with all these other people, but you don't even fuck with yourself. So technically, you don't even fuck with them because you don't know yourself. But, so pretty much learn how to speak to yourself, learn how to talk to yourself. Like a nice way, a healing way. And then you'll be straight forever. You gotta speak nice on everything, to everyone. All that. Enjoy the nature. Hello. Come outside. I feel like I hear everything now. My ears just adjusted. There's so many birds. Look, a hummingbird. I don't know if y'all can see it. Damn, squirrel's gonna fuck it up for me. But it's going now. Hummingbird's fire, I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah. Fuck, never mind. I forgot. So these are for me, y'all. I'm sorry if y'all like was looking forward to me talking or something, but like I said, it's just a nature walk. So you can enjoy the nature, you can enjoy looking at my face if you want to. If not, don't look at it. Click on the video or something. But once I get back more on the trail, I will record more. But for now, y'all gonna see me because I'm walking in the street. Wait, oh, never mind. I already passed that. Oh yeah, nah, it's gonna be easy. All right. There's a cat right there. There's a squirrel right there. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Life is amazing when you live it how you want to without the fear of being judged by anybody, because who the fuck can tell me about me? No one. Literally. Because I know who I am, and I know what that comes with, and I know what that entails, and I know how powerful that makes me. So find who you are, find your voice. Alright. Now I'm gonna be back on this trail, yo. But I like walking in the street and shit, cause people don't really walk in the street. Maybe, I don't know. People just listen too much to everything other than themselves, you know? So, it's a little bit different. Everybody be smoking cigarettes, bro. That shit is nasty. Out of all the shit you can smoke, you choose cigarettes. Ugh. Out of all the shit you can smoke, you choose cigarettes, bro. I actually might walk through this neighborhood, but I don't know. We gonna see. I never walked through the neighborhood before, so it's gonna be a little different. I never even really. I never really paid attention to my own neighborhood like that, which is actually weird, isn't it? Yeah, I should have been paying way more attention, but I didn't even know this trail was back here. Good morning, how you doing? That's good. That's one of my people, yo. That's how my people act toward me. All right, we back. Let me show you. That's where I got that cherry. Street super bad. Yeah. Bro, it's been like an hour since you got over here. Like this would be a good spot to chill at, like I was doing earlier. These houses are nice, huh? It's actually a nice trail. It's basic, but I mean, we don't have too many of these. We need more nature in this world, yo. Fuck buildings. There's already enough of them. We don't need no more. Plus, the buildings that are here don't even habit everyone that's here. You know what I'm talking about? Like, there shouldn't be any homeless people. Like, with the amount of buildings and all that stuff that we got, nah. Shit be terrible. But now I'm finna be back on that trail. I'm finna look for that one tree too that I said was falling, so y'all can see. But hold on. Oh, never mind. I ain't gonna look at that. I was finna go pick up a rock, but I changed my mind. I gotta, I don't know, I keep finding shit though, that's all I know. I found, like, keep finding stuff like I found a stab earlier. I found like some type of rock the other day, the first time I went. And then I found another rock another day where I was just sun gazing in my own yard. But I don't know. It's amazing. Everyone should definitely get out more in nature. There's nothing wrong with it. It's very calming. And you don't have to be around too many people. Well, if you like people, cool. Well, I love people too. But to a certain extent, I can only deal with people for so long. It depends who they are and how they are. Like, with themselves and shit too. But I don't know, should be cool, yo. I like being able to just do what I want whenever I want, because I never really got to. Like, growing up and stuff, I never really got to do anything that I wanted. Literally anything that I wanted to do. So now I had to recreate my own identity, and now I'm the most comfortable that I've ever been in my entire life with myself. And can't nobody tell me shit about me, literally. Because I don't say I'm the only one, but I am one of the only ones that's actually preparing for the future right now. Everyone else just thinks about it, but they don't prepare. Like, you gotta prepare now. The present time is when the future begins. That's how they'd be like, when was the best time to plant seeds, bro? Yesterday. I keep finding ladybugs too. Earlier when I was recording my videos, one was crawling on my leg. But I don't be kicking them off me or nothing no more like I used to. I used to be like, cause you could feel literally every like sensation on your body when they be crawling on you. But they don't be trying to harm you. Like, even spiders, all that. The spider was crawling on me yesterday, a jumping spider at that. Cause I went to pick it up because it was just tickling my leg too much, and then it jumped. And I was like, oh, my fault, bro. Oh, I didn't know it was a jumping spider. But, oh yeah, let me show y'all the nature. Oh. Okay, I know I didn't miss that tree. I better not have missed that tree. But I know y'all already seen it, but this is the way back, so it could look different, right? A little bit. I wonder if I'll find something else like last one. If you guys want, I'll show you guys my staff. I need to fix it up though. It's not fixed. A lot of trees go like that. I'm sleeping. That one goes like that a little bit. But I don't know. I swear the one I saw looked way better. If I find it again, I'll show you. But that wall is beautiful. But it's not. It's cause I don't really care too much. But I just want to show y'all that. That's it. Oh. That's why I don't like saying hi to people first. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Never mind. Alright, let me see if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Yes, sir. Alright, watch. This is the tree I was talking about right here. But I know like a lot more trees grow like that, but I just ain't noticed, so fuck it. But look, this, it's like fire. It's like, I don't know, bro. They just look clean to me, so. Look, that shit don't always tight to you. Like, it's like a spiral, and there's a fucking mosquito eater. But that shit fire. That's the tree I was talking about. I don't even know what time it is right now. I'm almost back, y'all. I gotta edit these and post them up. Nature walk vlog number 2. This time I went a little bit further. I feel better though. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like like I got power in me. Well, I do, definitely. And so do you, if you know that. If you don't know that, then you don't. But if you know it, then you do. Well, even if you don't know, you still do. You just ain't tapped into it yet. You gotta tap into that power. All right, y'all. I'm finna be back now. So I want to say thank you guys for coming with me on this walk and enjoying. Well, I don't know if you guys enjoyed it or not, but I enjoyed the walk and the talk that I had with you guys and myself. But until next time, y'all, HighLyfe, we out.